Okay, we're learning our first Hezber of the year, Masechta Kiddushin. We're in Perek Rishon, the first chapter, and it's called Ha'isha Niknes, which is always the first words of the Mishnah of any chapter, and we're on Daf Bet. We're going to learn the Gemara and some Rashis. Ha'isha Niknes B'Shlosha Derachim. A woman is acquired through three methods when it comes to marriage. V'kones Atzma, and she acquires her rights back, b'shtei drachim, through two different methods. So let's see. A woman is acquired for marriage through three ways, and she acquires those rights back through two methods. So the Mishnah will now look at the three methods. Niknes, she can be acquired b'kesev, through money, b'shtar, through a deed, ubia, and through marital relations. The kesef, and when we talk about acquiring a woman's rights or exclusivity through money, the kesef, there's a machloket between Beit Shammai and Beit Hillel. Beit Shammai omrim, bedina ubeshava dina. She can be acquired with anything that equals a dinar, which is a silver coin, or anything that is in value, that has the same value as a dinar. Beit Hillel omrim, Beit Hillel says, bipruta ubeshava pruta. She can be acquired with something that is worth a pruta, or something that is equal to a pruta. Rashi says, a pruta shel nechoshes. It's a copper type of coin. It's less than what Beit Shammai says. And then, V'kama hi pruta. How much is a pruta? Echad mishmona. It's 1/8 be'isar hatikli ha'itakli. A type of Italian coin. Remember, the Mishnah was written already under time of Roman rule, and that was the currency, these Italian coins. So it was 1/8 of an isar, an Italian isar. Now, v'kones atzma. How does she require her rights back? Beget, through a divorce, or b'misas bal, or her husband dies. And that's what we're going to leave it here. We're going to eventually do the Rashis, but that's all we need to know now. Please fill in the Hezber and please summarize the Mishnah.